All right, is your washing machine not smelling as good as it should anymore? Are your clothes coming out with a little strange odor to them? One of the things that you just really need to do in our modern washing machines, especially if you have pets, is have a maintenance cycle where you are cleaning the actual drum, the actual washing machine a couple times a month. We have two dogs, Wally and Lloyd, and so we got a lot of pet hair around. One of the things you notice is they get on your clothes, and as you wash it, sometimes that pet hair can build up inside of your washing machine. And even if you don't have animals in your house like we do, just the natural soap enzymes and oils will build up inside of your washing machine drum, and they will collect particles and odors and just make it more and more difficult for your clothes to come out feeling and smelling clean. And that's where these tablets come in. And they're pretty easy to use. You just, especially if you have a cleaning cycle on your washing machine, every couple of weeks, you pop it open, throw in one of these tabs, no clothes in there with it, put it on its cleaning cycle and let it do its thing. And these tablets are kind of like they feel like a dishwasher tablet, if you know what I mean. It's like the packed harder detergent, but these include a bunch of things that help dissolve the oils and the buildups and break up the hair so that it can be pumped out of your washing machine more easily. And it leaves everything just smelling great. One of the ingredients in here is a citric acid, so it's got a very orange or fruit type smell at the end of it, leaving everything just smelling so fresh. Each box contains 24 tablets. It's enough for you to do this twice a month and get through a whole year. So it's a good, easy way for you to just maintain your washing machine. So look, if you are looking for a good way to fight the buildup, to fight the odor, to fight any pet hair that might be building up inside of your washing machine, check these out. They're by Flowcheer. I think you're gonna love them.